In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a discount on Turo. Everyone loves a good deal, especially when it comes to renting cars for your travel or daily transportation needs. Luckily, Turo has several ways you can snag a discount and save some money on your next trip. Let's explore these strategies and make sure you're getting the best possible price every time you use Turo. First and foremost, always check for promo codes. It's a simple yet effective way to save. Start by visiting popular coupon sites and see what they have to offer. Look for codes like Get 25 off that might provide a discount for new users or apply to specific bookings. These can often make a significant difference in the overall cost, and it only takes a few minutes to find them. Another way to score deals is by signing up for Turo's newsletter or enabling app notifications. This keeps you in the loop for any exclusive offers or first-time user discounts. Notifications from Turo might alert you to deals on special occasions like Travel Tuesday, where you could potentially get 20% off. It's an effortless way to keep savings right at your fingertips. For further discounts, consider utilizing a referral or sign-up bonus. For example, new users might receive a $25 credit when signing up through a referral link. If you haven't already joined, seek out these links before you make your first booking. It's a straightforward way to start with savings without any extra steps required. When planning your trip, booking longer stays can be another smart strategy. Many Turo hosts offer discounts for extended bookings, such as weekly or monthly rates. These discounts automatically apply, reducing the cost per day significantly over shorter, more frequent rentals. If your plans allow it, stretch out your booking to take advantage of these lower rates. Lastly, before finalizing any reservation with a discount code, make sure to double-check all the terms and conditions. It's crucial to ensure the code is valid for your region, the specific type of vehicle you're looking to rent, and aligns with your intended booking dates. Also, verify that the code hasn't expired. This quick check can save you from any unpleasant surprises at checkout. By combining these strategies, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of Turo while keeping your budget in check. So go ahead and take advantage of these tips next time you're planning a trip. Safe travels and happy saving.